Hello, welcome. In this section, we will discuss about one more performance engineering concept called heap dump analysis. In this section, during discussion, we will use Java programming as an example for explaining the concept of heap and heap dump. But the fundamental idea of heap and a garbage collection is similar across multiple programming languages. All have a managed memory space where objects live and some form of automatic memory reclamation, which is also called garbage collection. Here are list of some of the programming languages which use the heap and also some form of garbage collection. The concept is similar, but internal working mechanism can be slightly different from one programming language to another. All these languages have some kind of a heap where the objects are stored and also some form of automatic memory reclamation, which is called garbage collection. First, let us understand what is heap. Heap is the memory area where objects are stored. Let us understand this with a simple real world example. Think of it like a warehouse where all the products created in your factory are stored. Similarly, all the objects created by the Java program are stored in the heap. The heap is part of a memory used for storing the objects created by your application. It is managed by the JVM or a Java virtual machine, and every object or a class variable resides here during the runtime. So basically, heap is a part of the memory where objects created by your Java program are stored, just like the products created in the factory are stored in the warehouse. Let us understand what is garbage collector. A garbage collector or a GC is a program or a process which cleans up unused objects to free up the space. Basically, it cleans up the unused objects. When you clean up the unused objects, which will release some memory space for other objects. Let us understand garbage collector with a simple example. Imagine you are at a party. You can consider every guest as a program and each guest is holding the plate. This one you can call it as an object, and here the guests are sitting and they are using these objects. Here guests have already finished eating and they have vacated the seat, and those responsible for removing this used plate, you can call it as a garbage collector, and they will be removing plates which are being unused. Means guests have already completed eating and they have left this place. Similarly, in a Java program, the objects that are no longer being used will be cleaned up by the garbage collector, and this garbage collector will help to free up the space for the other objects. Just like in the party, when these used plates are cleaned and when this place is vacated, this place can be used by other guests arriving to the party, right? Similarly, in a Java program, when used objects are cleaned up by the garbage collector, the new objects will get a space in the memory. This ensures that space is managed efficiently. So in this lecture, we have understood what is heap and what is garbage collector. We will continue our discussion in the next lecture. Thank you for watching.